Home remedies for cough variant asthma. Cough variant asthma is a milder form of asthma. Children are more likely than adults to have this type of asthma. Here are the top 5 home remedies for cough variant asthma. Number 1. Salt water. Salt water is a good home remedy for alleviating irritation in the throat that accompanies constant coughing. Warm salt water also promotes healing of inflamed airways. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of warm water. Stir it until the salt mixes in properly. Gargle with this water 2 or 3 times a day. Number 2. Oregano. Oregano is another effective remedy for treating the dry cough, the only symptom of CVA. This herb contains antispasmodic, antibacterial and expectorant properties that help clear mucus from the lungs and ease dry coughing. Consume 1 tablespoon of juice extracted from fresh oregano leaves a few times a day. Number 3. Honey. Honey is another very effective natural cure for CVA. The sweetness of honey triggers your salivary glands to produce more saliva, which in turn lubricates your airways, easing your cough. It also has antioxidant properties that fight inflammation and boost immunity. Mix equal quantities of honey, ginger juice, and pomegranate juice. Consume 1 tablespoon of this mixture 2 or 3 times a day. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is a popular natural treatment for various ailments, including asthma as well as cough variant asthma. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring it to a boil. Drink it 3 or 4 times a day. Number 5. Lemon. Lemons can also be used to cure a dry cough, the most prominent symptom of cough variant asthma. Lemons have properties that reduce inflammation and also provide a dose of infection-fighting vitamin C. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.